What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the doi like sound effect, because I've seen a bunch of people doing it and they're all doing it wrong. I can do it perfectly, so I'm gonna show you. This is a tutorial. Okay, so first, everyone's doing this wrong. So you get your 3 fingers, you go like this, close it as much as you can, get your thumb, just wrap it like that, keep your lips like this, and just say girl. Go girl, 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 girl. Yeah, see. So you just keep your all lips, like all the noises you make, try to keep it in your hand, and it should sound like this. It would be harder for people with a deeper voice because they can't get it as high pitched, but if you do it correctly, it should sound pretty dang accurate. And I have the perfect voice for it apparently. So yeah, I can just I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. Anyways, goodbye. Have an amazing day.